Today I'm 15, maybe 20 minutes from Vernon, British Columbia, and the reason that I'm here is to show you the Monarch XL from Crafted Modular Developments. What we're looking at here is 1,472 square feet, in which they've got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a big living room, and I don't know if you can see it in the shot, but yes, it does have a rooftop deck. I am very excited to show you around, so let's get to it. Starting at the front right of the home, couple, 2-3 things to talk about right off the hop. Number one, if you direct your attention right back there somewhere, you'll notice the rooftop deck. And yes, I will go up there, so nobody panic. We'll get a good look at that. Number two, they've got a 12 by 24 attached garage on here, which is something that I think a lot of people are looking for. And number three, not only is this a brand new home, but if you look down at the road, it hasn't even been paved yet. So yes, this is also a brand new development. It's new on new in this tour. So as I cruise around this direction, let's have a look at the Monarch XL. We've got an offset roof line, we've got offset lengths, and it's giving the home a very modern look that I think is going to be quite popular. They've got the covered entrance right there with the rockwork accent. They've got a full fenced yard on this, so that's about as far as I'm going to take it on the exterior at the front. Maybe I'll cruise into the backyard so we can get a look at what's going on back there. But yeah, I think it's time we head inside, see what this is all about. So you can see here, they've got the 2 windows on the front. That is into the living room. They've got the LEDs built into the eave there. And as I head up the stairs, we'll get a look at the entrance. So they've got the full window with the frosted glass. They've got another window on the side. They've got the cedar accent there and another light built into this eave right here. Here we go, folks. The Monarch XL. And as I enter in, the first thing on the right is, of course, a coat closet right there. I've stuffed a few things in there, so I'm gonna keep that closed. My backpack's in there, my tripod, stuff like that. It's a standard coat closet, you get the drift. But what they've got on the left-hand side of the kitchen is something people quite enjoy, and that is a pantry. And what's better than a pantry with 4 shelves? A pantry that has some natural light coming into it. Something you don't see as much as I think you should. A window into the pantry is something I am quite excited about. Now, big side-by-side stainless steel fridge here. They've got the cabinet up above. You'll notice they've got quartz countertops in here. Let's step back and get a real good look at this. They've got the island in the middle, and they've got the white cabinets with the black hardware. So room here for probably 2, maybe 3 bar stools, 1 there for scale. And look at this. They've got 3 banks of drawers going across this way. They've got the shallowest on the top and then the 2 pots and pans below that. Same all the way across. They've got the corner cabinet here for the bigger stuff. Another set of 3 here. Another set there. And on either side of the microwave, they've got windows for that glorious natural light, all right? Now on this wall, they've got 4 sets of this cabinet right here. So this is where you're gonna put your plates, your bowls, maybe food, your bag of rice, a bag of flour, whatever you wanna store in a kitchen, they've got spots for it along that wall. So have a look at that. They've got the 3 sets of banks of drawers, 4 sets of cabinets, so definitely not a shortage of places to put your kitchen items in this kitchen. Cool pendant lights coming down, and just when you thought there couldn't be more natural light, they've added the skylight directly above the sink right here. So we'll get a look at that, and then I am going to move into the living space. So straight across from the island, I would maybe set this up as a dining room in this corner, and then as I pan around this way, this is obviously the living space. So maybe some kind of L-shaped couch, TV mounted above the electric fireplace there. And they've got the 2 windows back out to the front yard. You can see Okanagan Lake across the street there. So this location is top notch. Looking up, they've got a set of 6 pot lights in the living space. And if you haven't noticed, maybe I should touch on the fact that this home, the Monarch XL, has not been staged, but that's not going to stop us from looking at it because we have imaginations and we're just going to have to use them. Okay, so first door on the left. Okay, I like this. Again, they're not joking around with storage in this home. It's 1,472 square feet, but it's got the storage of a 1,754 square foot home, minimum. Under the sink, you've got a spot for, I don't know, whatever you want to put there. They've got a bank of 3 drawers there, and look at all of the space. If you're someone who likes to put stuff on the counter, they've got you looked after here. Toilet and the tub shower unit at the end. Again, they've put the skylight into the bathroom for the natural light, and they've got the tall cabinet on the right-hand side for your towels and anything else you might want to stash away in there. On the right-hand side, heading towards the back, they've got the utility room. So you got your hot water tank, furnace, you've got a stacking washer dryer, and this is going to be one of the entrances into the home. And I mentioned we do have the 12 by 24 attached garage. So quick look at that. Yeah, let's continue. We're going to head down the hall. We've still got 3 bedrooms and 1 more bathroom, plus the rooftop deck to look at here. So window out to the side yard. They've got the closet right here. There you go. So you can hang your clothes. You can fold some stuff and put it up top. We all know how closets work. Continuing on the left here, this is the main bedroom. So I usually save that for last. I'm going to skip right into it here. So they've got the sliding glass door off the back of the home to the backyard, and right over there, you can't quite see it, is the access to the roof deck, which we will get to shortly. They've got the ensuite over here with a walk-in shower. Again, black hardware with the white is the theme throughout the entire home. Check out the size of this vanity, and they've got the quartz all the way through as well. So you've got drawer cabinet combo, you've got the open under the sink and a bank of drawers on the left side. Toilet is right here, and there is a window right here behind the door with the frosted glass. Okay, 1 more bedroom, then we're heading out the back door. We'll go up to the rooftop deck, have a quick look at that, and then probably time to talk about the pricing. I know people love it when I talk about pricing sometimes, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to talk about the price of this home. So there you go. Let's head out the back and see what we got. So before I do that, you've got the full window right here out to the back patio. Look at this. This is all finished. All you have to do is pack your stuff, pack your suitcase, and show up at this place. They've got the landscaping pretty much done. Got a trail to the garage. They've got the topsoil down for the grass right there. And wait till we see the view here from the rooftop deck. Whoa, look at that. Boom. You've got the Okanagan Lake view right there from the rooftop deck. And I don't have the dimensions on it, so I'll just do a quick lap around so we can see all the spaces that can be utilized. I would maybe put some sort of hammock over there. You could have a table and chairs and maybe some kind of outdoor couch. So you got 3 sections that you can use when you're in the backyard for whatever you want to do. They've got the rock work on the back wall. I think this lot is around 50 by 100. And yeah, we'll head back in this door, get one more look at the entire space. And that'll be it for the Monarch XL. Very cool build, lots of natural light. I like the white cabinets with the black accent. There it is, one more look there. Let's head out and discuss the financials. There you have it, folks, the Monarch XL from Crafted Modular Developments right here across the street from Okanagan Lake in British Columbia. Again, 1,472 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, attached garage, and the rooftop deck. As far as pricing goes, if you're just after the unit, you're looking at $275,000 to start. That is it for me here today. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next